Oh, they don't have anything I like here, so take care, Celia.
Excuse me, sir.
Michael, what's going on?
Celia, please try to understand. I have to do something!
Michael? Oh, good,
Look at
good.
camera.
On three. 1, 2.
Again! No!
Again! There's a kid here! A human kid! Boom!
Jiggly bear!
Come on!
Let's get out of here!
Please remain calm. This is not a drill.
Michael? Michael!
Celia!
Please come with
Ow,
me.
stop pushing.
Hey, get your hands off my schmoopsy food!
Building clear. Ready for decontamination.
Well, I don't think that thing could have gone any worse.
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
Well, a kid flew right over me and blasted a car with its laser vision.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
It is my professional opinion that now is the time to panic.